With the large amount of radiation that is surrounding us and our families in our home at all times, you need to make sure that you have a solution that works. Let's unbox the EMF Harmonizer Mobility Bracelet. It supports your health and well-being as you are exposed to the pervasive electromagnetic radiation in today's environment. Each day, you are met with EMFs emitted by many sources, from your cell phone and wireless devices, Wi-Fi routers, cell phone towers, and countless other sources. Now let's unbox the EMF Harmonizer. Both the bracelet and the Harmonizer Chip protect you and your loved ones. The cool thing about this is that you can stick it to laptops and even baby monitors. I don't know about you mamas, but this gives me peace of mind. Research on digital cordless baby monitors shows that monitors placed less than 3 feet away from your baby's crib emit almost the same level of radiation as a cell phone tower up to 500 feet away. Positive physiological effects of the EMF Harmony technology have been demonstrated in a number of studies. So no matter what you're doing in your home around your children, you can feel safe with the Mobility Bracelet and the EMF Harmonizer. These products neutralize the negative health effects of all EMFs. EMF Harmony gives us busy moms one less thing to worry about.